This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Marla Finkelstein. Move-in ready. New home, 2160 square feet, in Ferndale's Malloy Terrace. High-end features, entry west soaring 19 feet ceilings, open floor plan living room with gas fireplace, modern stone wall, dining area and spectacular kitchen, waterfall edge quartz on island, glass tile backsplash, walk-in pantry, 4 bedrooms, junior suite on main level, 3.5 baths. Stainless cable railing and lighted stairs, tiled showers, laundry room on upper level, convenient deck off the great room. Backs up to green space. For more information, review the details below or contact Marla Finkelstein at 360-734-70